everyone, welcome to this new video where I am going to make some Christmas cards. Have fun watching! Last year I made really simple cards with a doodle of a reindeer, so this year I wanted to do something else but still keeping it simple. I always start with sketching my main design and then do the real lettering with my Crayolas. Of course, I made my Christmas cards in Dutch, and this card says Fijne feestdagen, which means happy holidays in English. To be honest, Christmas is one of my favorite moments in the year. I really enjoy all the Christmas vibes, songs, decoration, and of course the fun of giving and receiving presents. So what is your favorite part of Christmas? Let me know down in the comments because I'm really curious to see all of your answers. As you can see, I'm already almost finished with this card. I'm just adding some little details and doodles, also adding some highlights with my jelly roll, and then the card is finished. As you can see, here is the finished design. It was really simple and cute to make, so let's move on to the second design. This card I was making mostly for my friends and family, so I wanted it to be a bit less formal, so I wrote down Fijne kerst en een heel gelukkig nieuwjaar, which means Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. As you might know, I have made a video before of me making a card for my dad, and again with this card I am adding some black lines as a frame, which makes the card more complete. Here is the second design for my Christmas cards. I wanted to make 9 cards in total, so I also made some more cards and gave them a bit of a different look with other colors. So here are all the 9 cards I made in total. It took some time, but I'm very happy with the end results. The cards were easy to make, but they still look fun enough to give away. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you later. Bye!